traveling, exploring, and learning on the road. Fun Family Road Trip.
We are in Washington. We've been really busy lately getting the summer house ready. So check out what we've done. We took it for a drive. And brought it here to our campground. Now it's nice and close. You can see it right down there. Since it's nice and close, we're able to get lots of work done. We paid for it to be here at the campground for 3 nights, so we'll be bringing it back tomorrow. Let's head on over and see what we've gotten done. All right, here we are. Yesterday, me and Brittany got up there on the roof to seal it, so check that out. All right, here we are up on the roof. And you can see all the white patches. We had some dye cord that we put around here over another patch job that was done. And we've sealed up some of the cracks around the edges. And we bought some Flex Seal paint. And we put some here. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but it looks like there's some moisture up here and this water's just sitting on top. Where on the other roof, the water is kind of seeping in and it's not going all the way through, but it's not up on top like this. You can tell that this is very waterproof surface. So that should be good to help seal up our roof. And we went all the way around. It's not the prettiest job, but it'll be sealed. And we got like around the edges of the storage box. So this is the roof of our Winnebago. Let's head back down. All right, let's go check out our progress inside. Hey, how's it going in here?
Doing good.
There's our new radio. Check out what it looked like the other night when he was working on it. This place is a mess. Doesn't look much like a house, it's more like a construction site. What are you working on?
Rat's nest.
Rat's nest in the dark. We're learning how our lighting is in here. Doesn't look so bad on camera, but it's kind of dark in here. Alright, this is not the easiest place to film because it is such a small, tight space, but we got this bench done. This is just fabric here that we can just lift up. We're going to put storage underneath to keep our shoes. We got this pad and I sewed the cover for that. And made an extra pillow. So then if you want to lean back against a pillow, I think it's super uncomfortable, but Doug likes it, so we made one for him. If me and Brittany are sitting there, we'd rather just lean against the wall.
They talk like they've ridden there before.
Yeah, but we sit there. If I sit here, that's really uncomfortable. But without the cushion, that's not bad. So we have it. If somebody wants it, it's available. So the bench is done, seat belts are in, that project is complete.
All right, so we've been testing the RV for water, electricity, gas, and I noticed some water dripping out of here this morning. So I pulled out a screwdriver, pulled this out, and there is a water pressure regulator / check valve that you plug in the city water to. That actually the seals are broken, so I had to order another one. Part is from Amazon. Which is good because it'll be in our locker on Friday, I think. Just replace it. Good thing is we found out this is also a pressure regulator, so we have a pressure regulator on the faucet that we won't need to bring with us because we have one right here where the city water hooks up.
Right now we're going to see if we can make one of these extra curtain rods work in the bathroom to hold toothbrushes. We looked at different toothbrush holders and nothing was really working for what we needed for our space, so we're going to try to make our own. We also got that hung up. We can hang stuff there, or we have some cups that fit on that bar. It's the same one that we have in the other trailer, so our cups will fit there and we can store stuff there. We're thinking pencils, things like that we need. He's gonna cut that bar and get it in. We got a Papa plate. So when we bought this motorhome, it already had the Papa napkin, and we tried it out and it works pretty well. You can just pull one out, and then to reload them, you just put them in the top. So we bought a Papa plate to go with it. Since we're not always going to have hookups, we figured you just pop right out there. It's kind of handy. Since we're not going to always have hookups, we figured we'll use paper plates as much as we can. We had gotten some of these from a thrift store. So the paper plates, I'm going to check out our messy construction zone here, fit right into the thing. You can snap them in if you want to, and then that makes it more sturdy, so that way we can use just the thin cheap paper plates and they're still sturdy enough for our food. We also got our magnetic bar put in, same one that we got from IKEA that's in the Cyclone that holds knives and stuff. In the bedroom, we put in this storage drawer. We actually bought it from IKEA. It just slides right out and it hooks onto the cupboard to store stuff in. We bought it from IKEA in hopes that it would fit somewhere else, and it didn't work. Oh, there he is measuring. It didn't work in our other space, so we figured we'd still put it to use, so it's going to be in there. We've also worked on our water. We filled the tank with some bleach water to flush it out, and then we flushed it out several times and cleaned out the black tank. What else have we done this week? The fridge now works, and it's a mess because we are going to get the dry erase panels to put in it. We use the one in the Cyclone all the time, so we know that that will be put to good use. So we've taken it apart so that we can measure the panels and get the right size for that. And one of the most important things we've done is we made sure that the Instant Pot fits in the cupboard. So it's definitely coming with us, and it has a space. We're very used to having 2 Instant Pots and an extra pot. We use 3 inner pots quite regularly with the 2 Instant Pots, but we're going to work on using just 1 since we don't have much space. Alright, I think that's going to work. So we're using the old curtain rod. I'll bring you back out here and show you. Here's one from our curtain up here so I can show you. Fits these hooks, and so it should also fit the cups that go on this rack. So we can hang those cups in the bathroom now with that rod hanging there and keep toothbrushes and toothpaste and stuff like that in there. So the water's only been flushed out just this first time, and when we run it, it definitely smells like bleach. We've got hooks in here, so we'll be putting in a shower curtain. And the thing that goes up here on the skylight is still down, so we'll be putting that up. And look who's here, it's Emmett and James. What are you guys up to? Were you playing? Alright, so that's what we're up to this week. Just working on this motorhome. Hopefully the next time you see it, it won't look like so much of a construction site, but more like a house.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later. park is a big
Go home now. See you later. Bye.